In a word, I would define success as results. More specifically, sales. That might be more students, more patients, more home mortgage buyers, whatever the business might be, but most clients want their advertising to generate a sale. It's really a conversion process, and picture that as a funnel, if you will. You have a product, there's an audience, we want to determine who's the most qualified audience, and then we want to get them more information and get them interested in our product. So picture a funnel. We want to develop leads. Those leads might come from Google ads, social media, any number of mediums that we're getting people oftentimes to their website. In doing this for over 25 years, I've pretty much come to the conclusion that website traffic is a leading indicator of future sales. The more people that come into a website, some percentage of them are going to qualify themselves as they learn more about the product and buy it. So quite often, my goal is to get more leads into the website. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm a business owner too. I started Kerigan marketing with one person. I know that business success is tough. An investment in marketing is expensive. I want to help them use their advertising budget as wisely as possible to generate prospects that ultimately buy their product and buy it in greater number so that they are more successful and more profitable.